What it do? What it do? What it do? And I'm back with another review. Where am I at? Charlie's. 2 for $10 chicken cheesesteaks. We got two different ones. We got a classic chicken cheesesteak, which would be this one right here. Add jalapenos. And we have the, let's see here. So we got one Philly, one teriyaki. Okay, so this one right here must be the teriyaki. I really don't see it, but whatever. $2 for $10. Can't go wrong. If that one's a teriyaki, it's so light. I can't even taste it. I added the jalapeno peppers and banana peppers. Can't taste nothing. Pickle. I taste the pickle. I don't know, maybe it's the classic. Let's see. See, this is the classic. Uh-oh, dropping jalapenos everywhere. This is number 2. Got mushrooms on it, jalapenos, banana peppers, tomatoes, pickle. I've been cheating. They taste both exactly the same. Taste the same. 2 of the same sandwiches. Yeah, there's no difference. Nope. Don't taste anything. So, what I'm gonna do is, y'all, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll go back in there and get a side teriyaki sauce. I almost ate both sandwiches already. I'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm back. So, I went to explain to him that both of those sandwiches were exactly the same. I think I noticed the difference between a classic chicken Philly and a teriyaki Philly. A teriyaki Philly would have been sweet. They were exactly the same. So, I don't want to make a big deal. I ate most of the damn sandwich. I'm not going to ask for another sandwich. Give me a side of teriyaki sauce we're going to put on there. Then he gave me a coupon for a free lemonade. I should have got a free sandwich, but it is what it is. This was the box from the first sandwich. It's gone. Got the second sandwich. I didn't eat the whole thing yet. Put some of this teriyaki sauce on there. Okay, now let's retry the sandwich. That's the taste I was going for. Sweet, savory. Look. A little bit of smoky flavor. Almost tastes like Chinese food. If that's what we were going for. So they corrected the problem, but didn't correct the problem. I didn't want to go in there and cause no big scene. Whatever. It was decent, but 2 for $10 wasn't bad for the small chicken Phillies. As you can see, they're gone. Go for the boxes. How you doing? I spread them down their sleeve. I think they do money. It was decent. Charlie's cheesesteak. South 27, south side of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. You guys got Charlie's next to you. Go on the app. 2 for $10. You can get the regular chicken, get the California style, which has ranch on it. You can get the teriyaki. Or you can get the buffalo. I'm not a big fan of buffalo sauce, so I didn't get it. But the teriyaki would have been decent if it was teriyaki from the beginning, but hey, whatever. They gave me some sauce and a free lemonade. I might come back and use it, I might not. They should have just gave me a couple lemonade instead of a coupon, but they want me to come back, I guess. But whatever. Charlie cheesesteaks, deuces, y'all.